In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudways account. Creating an account on Cloudways is a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be set up and ready to explore everything this popular managed cloud hosting platform has to offer. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Cloudways website. This is your gateway to simplifying your cloud hosting experience, combining the best features of different providers into one easy to use platform. So open up your preferred web browser and type in cloudways.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the homepage. It might look a little daunting at first with all the information available, but don't worry, we're here to focus on creating your account. As you look around the homepage, somewhere near the top of the page, you'll find a button labeled Start Free. Go ahead and click on that. Cloudways is known for its user-friendly interface, and this is part of that simplicity. They offer a free trial, so you can get a feel for the platform without any commitment. Clicking Start Free will direct you to a registration page where you'll begin the process of setting up your very own account. Now, onto the registration page. Here, you'll need to fill in your details. This includes standard information such as your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to choose a secure password. Combining letters, numbers, and symbols is a good practice to keep your account safe. Remember, this information connects directly to your hosting abilities and management, so accuracy is key. After entering your details, the next step is to agree to their terms of service. This is an important aspect of any online service. It's always a good idea to know what you're agreeing to, so take a moment to skim through those terms if you can. Once you've done that and checked the agreement box, you should see a button to submit your registration. Clicking submit will finalize the creation of your Cloudways account. You might receive a verification email just to confirm that you are indeed the person creating the account. Check your email inbox and follow the link in the email to verify your account. Congratulations, you've now successfully created your Cloudways account. From here you can start exploring the dashboard, check out the various cloud providers you can integrate with, and begin deploying new applications on your server. This is a great step toward enhancing your digital presence, using Cloudways to manage and scale your efforts easily. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it informative and are excited about what you can achieve with your new Cloudways account. Keep exploring and enjoy the power at your fingertips.